Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make 3D chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create the chart. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab, then click on the charts option. And here you see your chart is inserted. With the chart editor right hand side with the two tabs setup and customize. In setup, you can see the first option chart type. The selected chart is pie chart. So if you want to change the chart type, just click on this drop down arrow and just drag below and you can see the all chart is available here. So you can select the chart type those you want. So I select here the column chart, click on this and here you can see your chart is converted in column chart. Okay. Now if you want to customize it, go to the customize tab and here in chart style, just click on this arrow. Background color you can change here. I select here yellow color. If you want to change the font style, so you select here the font style also. So I just select this one and see the changes over here. Okay. And if you want to make this chart in 3D in chart style, the 3D option available. Just click on it and that's it. Your chart is a 3D. So this is a way you can create the 3D chart. And you can use here the different option to customize your chart also. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.